What's up, everybody? Outside, sunny Florida, Fort Myers, walking the dogs. Just wanted to say a couple things. So this whole thing with the internet being shut down, the internet kill switch, is a myth. Matt Drudge going on InfoWars a year ago and saying that, the Supreme Court justice basically told him that they were going to shut the internet down. This is not something to be played with. This is like serious stuff. I just wonder what's going to happen if that does happen. I mean, we've been so programmed to just have everything at our fingertips. What are we gonna do if, one day we wake up and there is no way to get in touch with people? There is no Facebook or Twitter or YouTube. What would we do? I know InfoWars started like a email list, and but I'm concerned because I don't know what it means when they say, the internet's gonna be in control of the United Nations. They're gonna be in control of the internet, and the United Nations is a corrupt body, a corrupt governing body. That was created by the Rockefellers to establish a world government, and what they're gonna do, and what they're already saying they're doing, is they want to silence, differing opinions. I mean, it's basically come to be the left versus the right, and the left doesn't want the right to be able to say anything or be able to give their views. And basically it's because the right has logic on their side. They have, truth and not lies and not total lunacy. That's how I know we're in the last days of this world, because, truth has been turned on its head. People are getting offended when you say the words he or she or, mother or father on a college application. College kids needs a safe space so they can't see Halloween costumes at Yale or Harvard or wherever it was. This is ridiculous. The world is being turned upside down. I mean, the colleges were, and still are, a lot of them controlled by Jesuits. There is a faction of the New World Order that's controlled by the Catholic Church, and that wants to ruin Protestantism, because, it's the closest thing to the true Christian church, and a lot of Protestantism is the true Christian church. And the real conspiracy is not against, anything but Christ, because it's a battle between good and evil, and evil is trying to silence good, because, light will shine in the darkness. If you have all darkness in one little light, you'll see it. So what they're trying to do is put out those lights, and we can't let them do that. So let's just keep fighting, keep posting up videos, keep talking to people, don't stop, especially preaching the gospel and winning souls. That's the main thing we have to do now in this life. So let's do it. and not get distracted by these stupid globalists and their plans. Alright, see you later, YouTube.